Hey, what's up, my wonderful people? How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a wonderful time. So yeah, it's me again, another Sunday. Welcome to the Rosemary Kitchen, and in today's video, I just start back to show you guys what I'm having for my dinner tonight. Yeah, let me turn my stove off real quick. Yeah, so let me turn my stove on real quick. I'm having this for dinner tonight. So I'm just gonna be sharing with you guys. This is not jollof rice. You if you want to call this a fried rice, no problem, but I'm just gonna call this a dry rice. So I got some chicken wings in here. I got chicken wings in here. I have shrimp in here. I have what's the name? I have some mixed vegetable in here. Yeah, guys, come on. Yeah, so you want to know how I make this fried rice? Yeah, this is I'm just gonna call this dry rice, yeah. So this is dry rice. Yeah, guys, it tastes good, yeah. So today I introduce myself to you guys. My name is Rosemary. Welcome to the Rosemary TV. If you live nearby, you are wholeheartedly invited to eat with us. My kids and I, we about to have this for dinner tonight. Yup. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm making for dinner tonight. So I got some beef here. I got some mixed vegetable in here. I have some chicken wings in here. Shrimp in here. Yeah, I love shrimp. Yeah, a dry rice with all shrimp for me is not a dry rice. And what I like about the dry rice is the crust. Yeah, this dry rice is a rich dry rice. Like what you try to say in Liberia, poor men don't eat dry rice, because our Liberian dry rice is not just like a white rice. We mix our Liberian dry rice with a lot of stuff. Yeah. Normally when they say they're eating dry rice, you're gonna think that, oh, it's just a clear rice with just little thing. But no, our dry rice in Liberia, you have just a little bit of everything in there. Oh my God. So you guys are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen to eat with us tonight. Yeah, the kids and I, we're gonna be having fun. Yeah, sister girl, let me take the rest so you can eat, okay? Oh my God, this dry rice is a bomb, y'all. Yeah, it's a bomb, y'all. Yeah. So I just cook my dry rice. If you've been following me, I just cook the dry rice the regular way. Put the water on the fire, it boil, and then I put the rice in the water. Just a little water. I never make the water that much, okay? Yeah, oh my God. So I never make the water too much, okay? So when it boil, when the water dry, I season it nicely, very nice, as you can see. It looks really good. And what I did was I put a mixed vegetable in there. When the water dry, I put a mixed vegetable. Yeah. Yep, I love to be eating my dry rice and be chewing the mixed vegetable like that. Yeah. And what I like about this dry rice is the crust. Oh my God, guys, I love the crust. The crust is so crispy, y'all. Yeah, this is what I like about this dry rice. Yeah. Guys, I already started digging the crust. I'm just gonna take the rice out before digging the crust. Yeah. So guys, let me know in the comment section below, what are you having for dinner tonight? It's Sunday night in the city. Sunday night in the city. I'm still working on my camera, so I'm using my phone. I'm using my phone. I'm using my cell phone. Yeah, I'm holding my phone. I don't have a camera stand, so I'm using one hand to hold this camera and the other hand to take the dry rice out. So consider me, guys. Guys, do you like dry rice? Oh my God. So once again, you are wholeheartedly invited to the Rosemary Kitchen. This is what we're having. You guys want to know? Oh my goodness. Oh my God. My kids can't wait to eat this dry rice. This dry rice is going to be a bomb, y'all. I have a lot of chicken wings in there, a meat in there, mixed vegetable with shrimp in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. So once again, happy Sunday from my end, y'all. Happy Sunday from my end. This is not Liberian dry rice. Our Liberian dry rice, we don't put mixed vegetable in it. If you want to put mixed vegetable, it's okay. But our Liberian dry rice, most of the time we put the okra sauce, pepper, and beta ball, something like that. So Yeah, that's my American dry rice here. Oh my god, what I like about this dry rice is, oh my god, it's well seasoned, y'all. So guys, look at it. Look what we're having for dinner tonight, y'all.
A mango.
Sister girl, what's up? What's going on with you?
I want to say hi to Manny.
It's raining. It's a white day on this side, guys. Guys,
It's
so
not raining outside.
the rain stopped, but it's still white outside. It's white outside.
It's white outside.
Yeah.
I want to get in the white.
It been raining since last night, y'all. So I just got a little olive oil in here. I love to eat my dry rice with olive oil. Yeah, I just love the taste of olive oil. The olive oil I'm using is extra virgin olive oil. Yeah, extra virgin olive oil. So on my channel, my name is Rosemary. I'm from
Helen.
along with Rose Helen. I'm from West Africa, Liberia. So on my channel, I do just a little bit of everything. I do just a little bit of everything on my channel. I do cleaning. I cook on a live video, and I also do products review. And I also got class for fitness here. So if you are struggling to lose weight, you are at the right place here. Just go to my playlist and search for fitness. You're gonna see all the exercise I'm gonna be taking to help you guys a lot here. Guys, I used to be really big, but ever since I started my weight loss exercise at home, it have helped me a lot. Especially during the winter where I don't have time to go to the gym. I just stay home and do my exercise at home. Being a single mom, it also helped me to look after my kids. Yeah, sometimes my kids and I do exercise together. It's funny, y'all. You don't want to see my baby girl teaching me how to do push-up. She's my manager, though. So, guys, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Let me just get a plate. Guys, how much of this can you eat? Can you eat all of this or half of this? A 5? 5 is a lot, yeah. My God, it tastes good. Just a bum, y'all.
Mom, I graduated. Look, Mama.
Congratulations, honey boo.
Thank you. I graduated. I graduated, Mama.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. So guys, where are you watching from? Where are you guys watching from? I'm streaming live from Ohio. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, but I live in Ohio, in the USA. Streaming live from Ohio. Yeah, my kids don't really like rice. What they love is, you know.
I don't like rice.
Yeah, you don't like rice. Well, I don't care though. I'm an African. I grew up eating rice all my life, so yeah, a day without rice in my life is like a day that have never come. Yeah. So, oh my God, what I like about this dry rice is the shrimp, yeah. Guys, look at the meat. I got steak in here. I made my steak last night. You know, yesterday was July 26th celebration at Bay Barbecue. We've been having fun, y'all.
Mommy, please push me.
Okay. Wait a minute, okay?
Please push me in the car chair.
So guys, if you just joining me, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Come back to watch more of the video, okay? My channel is family friendly. With my channel, you watch yeah, you can watch my channel with your family, your friends, your relative, your loved one. It's family friendly. The reason is I'm just a friendly person here. I'm a single mom. Most of my video I do, I always have my kids around, so I want to do something friendly that I'm going to keep my kids around. Yeah, so my channel, you can watch it with your kids, your family, your relative, your loved one, anyone. You can even watch my video at working place. You won't get in trouble though because it's family friendly. So if you want to learn how to cook African food, the best African food, you are at the right place, because on this channel I cook on a live video where I teach you guys how to cook from start to end. There is nothing like behind the scene. We do everything on a live video. Yep. So yeah, most of the time I used to cook behind the scene. When I make the video, people be like, oh, I love your cooking, but I tried to do this, it didn't work for me. So I'll be like, okay, I'm going to come on live so we can do this together. And that was so helpful to my audience. Yeah, so Thanks to all of you guys. I'm not gonna make the video so long. Thank you so much. Bye. I love you so much.
Bye.
Mwah.